Hello guys, now I'm going to show how you will market in your gig in Twitter because who are the beginner they don't know how to marketing their gig in different types of social media because of not knowing how to marketing gig they are feeling depression because who are the newcomer always they expect order but lack of impression lack of view lack of click in their gig they don't get order. But if new freelancer follow my video, watch my video, only spend 2 minutes, I hope they will success. Now I'm going to show how you will marketing your gig in Twitter. Let's go. Hello dears. Hello viewers. Now you are see my skin. This is my Twitter account. But everybody knows how to publish a post in Twitter, but every post are not popular, are not reach most of the people. So if you want to reach your post most of the people, you have to know what is the trending keyword now. So first we will find out what is the trending keyword. For searching trending keyword, you have to follow some technique. Just you have to click explore. After clicking explore, you have to go this setting icon. After clicking this setting icon, you have to select from here location. I will first choose United States. Okay. After selecting United States, you have to close it. But before close it, I want to give a message what the new in Twitter, and for the first time if you come this explore setting, you will see this is checked. But at first you have to uncheck it. Then after you will get explore location. Okay. Now I am close this pop-up. After close this pop-up, this is surprised. Most of the post here from USA. Now I am going to trending post in USA. Just click trending. Yes, after clicking trending, you will get there is some popular hashtag keyword. Nowadays, there is very popular keyword Valentine Day. Okay, there is another popular hashtag keyword. This is. There is another popular hashtag. This is. Now you have to copy it. You have to copy it and you have to take a file from Notepad. After copy this popular hashtag in your Notepad, then after when you will want to share a post in Twitter with your Fiverr share link, just you will use this type of popular trending hashtag. Now, I think what the newcomer, they can easily understand how you will trending popular collect from Twitter and how you will use it in your gig post. So, guys, support us, subscribe our channel, encourage us. Hope you will get next technique and next surprise. Number today. Good luck to you.